Hi everyone. Today I have Tim's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my bench. Tim sent it to me because the auger was not feeding. So I received it today and there was like 5 items wrong with it. So I took care of all those items and I'm ready to do a final test on it. So I currently have it connected up to my tester. My tester will have some lights that simulate certain parts of his pellet stove, and such as the combustion fan, the auger motor, and the room convection fan. Of course, on this brand, the igniter will not come on since there's no igniter. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and what we should see when I do that, I'll be able to turn the convection fan intensity higher and lower. I'll be able to do the manual feed, the high fan, and then go to automatic mode with the auger. So let me go ahead and turn it on. And there it is. I've got my 2 fans on. The combustion fan and the room fan are currently on. So if I go ahead and I press the high fan button, you can see the light intensity increases, so that's working correctly. And the other option is to go to manual feed, and when I do that, we should see the auger light come on. And there it is. Auger light comes on. So the other thing I can check real quick here is the low BCDE max intensity. So as I turn that, we can see that the light intensity for the room convection fan gets higher and higher. So that's a little bit hard for me to do single-handed as I hold the camera, but it's doable. So I'll go ahead and press the auger switch, and once I do that, we should see the little green light behind here come on, and at the same time the auger motor drive will come on. The light in yellow there will simulate coming on, and that should tell us that the controller is working fine. So I'll go ahead and press it now, and there's the green light, and we saw the auger light work at the same time. So let's wait for a couple cycles of the automatic auger drive to come on, and then I'll change the speed to show how that makes operation of the auger a little bit different. That should come on anytime now. There it is. So we had our green light come on and the auger indicator light come on as well. So one more cycle of that, and then I'll increase the pellet feed control, and that should make the auger light stay on longer. There it is. So it's functioning correctly. So let me switch that over to max, and what we should see this time is the green light will stay on a little bit longer and the auger drive will stay on a little bit longer as well. There we go. So that was max. So that would drive the most possible pellets into the fire pit and drive the fire to maximum. There it is again. So that's it. All the features of Tim's pellet stove controller, his Breckwell controller, have been tested. They're working fine on my tester, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm ready to return this unit back to Tim. Tim, thank you so much for sending that to me. I appreciate it very much. Goodbye.